Hey there, been a while since I did a video on any trains. I've been so busy at work, and even this one is a little late. So this little rig here is it's an old set that I got some years ago from Microtrains line, and it's a Liberty Town. It's like a 4th of July type set with all the little buildings, and they got the little American flags on the buildings and stuff like that. It's a neat set, and I've got the Liberty Railroad there with the locomotive, 3 troop carriers, and I also added this is an older Microtrains Caboose that's on there. It's a Bicentennial, United States Bicentennial Caboose there. And so we got the full set though. This is, and with some additions as well. So I got some, you can see I've got some extra trees. I've got 2 of the little parks with gazebos because I just felt like having only one of them in one of the corners just somehow didn't look right to me. So I added another one. And then I've got a little Woodland Scenics U.S. flag there, and I've also got some little vehicles and stuff, N-scale vehicles to decorate the thing. And in the locomotive here, I also added the Digitrax. It's a drop-in DCC decoder that goes in that, and it works quite well. So here we go with a quick demonstration. Let's enable. I'm running this is an old easy DCC controller from Bachmann that I have on this. It's just convenient, and this set really doesn't need anything fancier than that. So we can turn that headlight on. There you go, and we'll get the train started. Let it do a couple of loops here. Let's move this tree out of the way. There we go. And it's just a cute set. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I had a lot of company on the 4th of July, big barbecue and stuff with family and friends, and so I just have not taken the time yet to do a little video of this set that I'm really fond of, and I put it out every year on the 4th of July, and I keep it up. Yeah, I put out a few days early, and I keep it out for a week after just because I love it. But there you go. The Microtrains line, Liberty Town and Liberty Railroad set there, and it's a great little runner. And the one thing that is not here, actually, now that I think of it, is the little Liberty Town base. There's a circular base that can go in the center. I actually have that base, and I'll be honest with you, I like it better without the base, even though you got this brown surface here. Maybe I could do something to enhance that a little bit, but honestly, the base for me seems to kind of get in the way a little bit, and especially like sometimes I run some larger locomotives. I have some Pacific steamers and others that take up a little more space, and they'll actually bump into that base if they're on this track, and I put them on there. So I don't really use the base, but there you have it. Here it is, the old Microtrains line. I don't know if you can still get this, and this track base here as well. This little table here, I think you can still get those on the Microtrains site. I'm not positive. The last time I actually looked for them, they were still there, and they also have the larger table with the legs. I do have one of those that I put out at Christmas time, but for 4th of July, and I also have the Halloween set, the Bouville set that I put out at Halloween. My grandkids love that one, and they love the Christmas North Pole Village that I put out at Christmas time as well. But there you go. Microtrains, Liberty Town and Liberty Railroad 4th of July train set.